All right, back with another edition of Where is Martin's? We're in the Steel City, the city of bridges, Pittsburgh. Let's go check out the city and then see if we can find some Martin's rolls here.
Welcome to Coop De Ville, where we specialize in Nashville-style fried chicken. So Martin's potato rolls are the workhorse and backbone of our sandwiches. We love the softness of the rolls. We lightly coat it in butter and toast it. It is the complete vehicle for all of our sandwiches. We love its versatility and flavor.